Hello viewers, how are you? We hope you all are fine. So today we will discuss about very interesting and very fantastic topic. So today we will discussing about best world map wall art designs and ideas to decorate your home beautifully in 2023. So if you are stuck at home for the foreseeable future and you are in the market for home decor, so that will show off your love of travel, so then you have come to the right place. So today we will discuss about world map designs and ideas, world map wall art designs and ideas. So everyone like world map wall art designs, and this is very unique designs, unique world maps for any travels home, and world map art is the number one gift for any traveler. Seriously, all travelers will love an awesome world map poster or a framed world map wall decoration. But where to find unique world map wall art that goes beyond the classic scratch world map poster? So don't get me wrong, I don't have anything against scratch maps. They are cool and they are very awesome, they are fantastic, they are gorgeous. I just want to show you today that there are plenty of different original gifts ideas for world map wall decorations. So today you approached very right place, because we will discussing about very great world maps, wall art designs and ideas. Do you have more friends or relatives who are obsessed with maps or traveling? Share this world map wall decor ideas. All the designs are here uniquely. So please share this world map wall decor ideas with them, or save these images for the next time you need to find the perfect home gift for a traveler. So this video is very informative for you. So we hope you enjoy this video, like this video, share this video, comment this video and subscribe our channel. So thanks for watching.